me, Annie. I'm back again. I'm just gonna get right down to business in this video. I have a daughter who is 22. She is super excited about her new sibling who will be here in a few months. It is still extremely early in my pregnancy, but she has been sending me gifts and a whole lot of them arrived today. And I thought I would go ahead and unbox them now. She already sent a few things, well, 2 things, before today, and she already sent pacifiers because she wanted to be the first person to get the baby anything. And so this is what she sent. Like the day I told her I was pregnant, it showed up 2 days later in Amazon delivery. So, new baby is going to have a sister who is just thrilled that it's here. So today, I was visiting with my mom and I came home. Mom lives just across the street from me. And there was all this stuff on the porch. And there's this. I do enjoy a baby carrier. It makes life easier. So thanks to my wonderful daughter, we have a baby carrier already. The first big thing of baby wipes. All right, last but not least, the last box. Okay, this one has a few things, so I'm gonna sit it down and pull it out one by one. I do want to pull one of these out and see what it looks like and feels. Because if I haven't said already, it's been a long time since I had a baby and they've got like all kinds of new baby stuff. And I had these in the registry that my daughter forced me to make, by the way, because she wanted to know what I wanted. I tried to tell her it's early, so I'm not real sure, but she was like, do it now. So I put these in there because I'm going to breastfeed, and I also want to bottle feed because with my last son, I barely bottle fed, like hardly ever, and it tied me down a whole lot. Not that it was like a terrible thing, but it just meant that if I wanted to go out, that it was difficult to leave him with somebody. So we didn't really do a whole lot of that. And this time, I want to take full advantage of grandparents and make sure that the baby can take a bottle so that I can go out with my husband, because we really do need that. This looks cool, and the lid is rounded. Pops on easy, pops off easy. It's very soft. See? It's See how my hand goes in like that? It's supposed to be so that when the baby is drinking and their hands are on it, that it's soft so that it feels more like mom. And breast milk storage bags. So that is everything that my daughter has gotten me so far, and I wanted to share it with you guys. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I will answer to the best of my ability. Thanks guys for coming and enjoying this time with me, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye!